The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Defense and the Seattle Police Department. At 4:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a large presence of Soviet troops was reported at the docks near the King Dome in the Alaskan Way Viaduct. A U.S. Air Force aircraft confirmed the presence of 2 regiments of Soviet armored infantry moving towards the Interstate 90 bridge. Their immediate intention appears to be the capture of Seattle and the surrounding suburbs. If you are in the greater Seattle area, you are required to evacuate immediately. All residents that remain do so at their own risk. The following areas must also evacuate immediately: Western King County and Western Washington, including Seattle and northwestern Pierce County in Western Washington. Suggested evacuation routes are State Highway 999, Interstate 5 and Interstate 405. Other routes may be used as well. Do not carry any firearms or weapons. Do not approach soldiers in a threatening manner. If you must approach, do so with your hands over your head and make no sudden movements. Do not go near unexploded bombs, landmines, artillery shells or other ordnances. These are dangerous and could explode at any time. Do not attract the attention of low-flying aircraft. Again, at 4:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a large presence of Soviet troops was reported unloading at the docks near the King. They are moving towards the Interstate 90 bridge. Stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for more information as this situation develops.